Hello, in this video, I will show you how to print a report immediately after a measurement is finished. In clarity, printing is just one of the actions that can be performed after a measurement. These actions are collectively known as post-run settings. You can find them on a specific tab in Single Analysis. Or as columns in sequence, but here, we will focus on printing only. In sequence, most post-run settings, including the Print to PDF column, are hidden by default. To display it, go to the Setup Columns dialog. Every chromatogram that needs to be printed must be opened in the chromatogram window. If you want to print multiple chromatograms together, ensure the overlay mode in the chromatogram window is turned on. If it is turned off, each chromatogram will be printed separately. For this example, we want to print the report of all three standards together. First, open the chromatogram window. Ensure no chromatogram is currently open, and then turn on the overlay mode. Next, return to the sequence window. Here, check the open checkbox for all three rows of standards. Check Print to PDF, or Print if you have a physical printer, on the third row only. The actual content that will be printed is determined by the report style. Therefore, the appropriate report style must be selected in the row where the print action will be performed. In this case, we select the Analysis report style. You can view or edit the report style directly from the sequence window. Click the Edit Current Report Style icon. On the Chromatogram tab, we can see the default setting, in which only the active chromatogram, the last one, will be printed. Change the signals to All and the tiled by to Chromatograms. This setting ensures that all three chromatograms will be printed, with each chromatogram having its own graph. Now, switch to the Results tab. Here, change signals to All again. Check the summary table to be printed. To make it look more compact, check the Word Wrap Long Text checkbox and select the Force Inverted Radio button in Table Layout section. Save the report style in the sequence. Start the measurement, and wait for the report to generate. Here it is, all three chromatograms are printed separately in one report. First, there are graphs of all chromatograms, followed by result tables, and finally, a summary table of all the results. Wrapped names of the chromatograms and inverted columns and rows make this table compact and easily readable. Thank you for your attention. For more videos, check our YouTube channel.